A Pakistani expert has said that China has achieved many milestones during the past decade under the leadership of the Communist Party of China. Shakil Ahmed Ramey, CEO of Asian Institute of Eco-Civilization Research and Development, said in a recent interview with Xinhua that the only reason why the CPC is still life dynamic and playing a leading role after 100 years, is that the CPC leadership always focuses on the people-centric development approach.
I think China have achieved many milestones. The list is very long, but I will try to concentrate on 2 or 3 major achievements of China during the last 1 decade. Number 1, China has completed the celebration of 100 years of CPC, Communist Party of China. I think that is a very important milestone. Why CPC is still live, dynamic and playing a leading role after 100 years? The only reason is that the CPC leadership always focused on the people-centric development. So CPC, they have created the biggest education system, the biggest health system and the biggest social protection system of the world in China. If you want to know about the people, what is the people-centric development? These are real-time indicators. Second, the biggest, I think, the achievement of China is zero poverty. So that is an unprecedented achievement of China. That means the philosophy of leadership, of CPC leadership, the development should be the people-centered. They have proved it by eradicating the poverty. The third part, socialism with Chinese characteristics. I think that is very important, because if we look around, the main reasons of downfall of world economy or the world political system is that there is a lack of well-defined values, because the values which has been defined, they don't have the global appeal. They have been defined by keeping in mind the few countries. I think in this context, socialism with Chinese characteristics, they are presenting a better model, because those values have been defined by keeping in mind the values of integrity, morals, ethics, equality, justice, and to give a respect to each and every person and every country.